Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Get Knowledge with SDK.
Today's topic is science.
Today's topic in science is simple machines.
In this chapter, you will learn A. Need for machines and their types, inclined plane, levers, their need and their types, the pulley, the wheel and axle, and screw and wedge.
Need and types of machines. We do a lot of work by using energy and applying force. We can make a difficult job easy by using certain devices and minimizing the use of energy. Any device that makes our work easy is called a machine. Thus, anything that makes our work easy is called a simple machine. Some machines have very few parts and a simple structure. Such machines are called simple machines.
There are six types of simple machines. They are lever, inclined plane, wedge, pulley, wheel and axle, screw. Let's learn about them in the coming slides.
The inclined plane. An inclined plane is a gentle slope that helps us to move a heavy load with less effort. A ramp is an inclined plane. It is provided in the hospitals so that wheelchairs and stretchers carrying the patients can be pushed up easily. Similarly, roads in the hilly regions are also the example of inclined planes. As you can see, an inclined plane is slanting.
2. Levers. What is a lever? A lever is a simple machine in which a rigid rod is arranged in such a manner that it can move freely about a fixed point. So there are three parts of a lever. So there are 1. Fulcrum. The fixed point around which the rod moves is called fulcrum. Effort. The force applied on the rod to perform the task is called effort. Load. The object on which work is to be performed is called load. Depending upon relative positions of the load, fulcrum and effort levers are divided into three classes. This is the image of a lever. This is the fulcrum, this is the effort, and this is the load.
A. Class 1 lever. In the class 1 lever, the position of the fulcrum is in the middle of the load and effort. Pillars, hammers, and scissors are some of the examples of class 1 lever. Example of how it works. In a seesaw, a wooden plank is fixed at a point in the middle. This point is called the fulcrum. The child sitting on the lower side is load, and the another child sitting on the upper side is the effort. You can see it by the picture.
These are the pics of the class 1 lever.
Class 2 lever. In the class 2 lever, the position of the load is in the middle of the fulcrum and the effort. Nutcrackers, wheel and barrow, bottle opener, etc. are some of the examples of the class 2 lever. Example of how it works. When we crack the nut with a nutcracker, the nut or the load is placed in the middle. The front part is the fulcrum, and you are putting your effort on the handle to crack the nut. These are the images of the class 2 lever ELF: effort, load, and fulcrum.
Class 3 lever. In the class 3 lever, the position of the effort is in the middle of the fulcrum and the load. The examples of this kind of lever are spade, tweezers, fishing rod, etc. So these are the images of the class 3 levers. The development of the class 3 lever is LEF. So first comes the load, second comes the effort, third comes the fulcrum. It can be like this also. T. Pulley.
A pulley is a wheel with a groove on it. This groove holds the rope in position. The pulley is fixed to a support. The load is tied to one end of the rope and the effort at another end of the rope. Pulley makes the work easier by simply changing the direction of the force. There are two types of pulley. They are fixed pulley and movable pulley. You can see the pics of pulley.
Difference between the fixed and the movable pulley. In the fixed pulley, the rope moves through the wheel. But in the movable pulley, the wheel moves through the rope. One of your examples are the example for fixed pulley is drawing water from the well, and second of movable pulley is lifting heavy loads.
4. Wheel and axle. The wheel and axle is a simple machine consisting of a wheel attached to a smaller axle. The wheel and axle can be used in vehicles, sewing machine, bicycle, doorknob, steering wheel of car, etc. So these are the examples of wheel and the axle. So this is the wheel, this is the wheel, and this is the axle. Together, it is a simple machine.
5. Screw. A screw is a simple machine used for various purposes. It is used to hold things together. A screw is also an inclined plane with many grooves on it. The head of the screw also has a groove into which a screwdriver can be fixed. It is considered better than a nail.
The last and the final one, the wedge. A wedge is a simple machine that has a long triangular shape with one broad or blunt end and one sharp end. In a wedge, two inclined planes are joined together in the shape of V. It is a simple machine which is used to cut and split things. Example, head of an axe or knife, etc.
Last but not least, quick recap. So summary of today's video. Anything that makes our work easy is called a simple machine. There are 6 types of simple machines: inclined plane, levers, pulley, wheel and axle, screw, and wedge. Inclined plane is a slope that helps us to move a heavy load with less effort. The wheel and axle arrangement is used in vehicles, sewing machine, bicycles, etc.
If you
If you
like
like
the
this
If you
video,
video,
like this
don't
don't
forget
video,
to press the like button and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.
bye.